Last week I finished like 6 or 7 quilts for some clients. I kind of took maybe 3 weeks after I finished the custom quilt, but I really just did nothing. I think I worked on my Queen of Diamonds, I edited a couple videos, and I just did what I wanted to do and not grind it up in here, you know what I mean, not grind. So I also put a banner. Like I said, I gave away a quilt banner to a church, my church that I came from, and I decided that I want to make another one. And so let me show you what mine looks like. I may redo it. I was really discouraged. It's not done. It's still doing it. I took it off the long arm so I could work on this client's quilt. And focus. This is what I want to work on next. What I'm doing right now is I'm playing with different thread tensions. Well, let me show you. I wanted to use metallic thread. I do have a couple shorts. This is the metallic thread I'm using. I thought when I used this metallic thread on this blue that it would just look beautiful. I kind of wish that I went with a white thread, because when, you know, and it's just me, when you're up in the machine, in the facing the fabric and really deep into it, you see every little wobble, every mistake, every problem. Share with you, I was using a silver thread and I kind of didn't like it. I was really discouraged, thinking that maybe I ruined this project, but then I added this multicolored thread with this, and I think I'm going to change to different thread types. Yeah, beautiful. Some of these are beautiful feathers, and some of them are meh feathers. But I'm predominantly keeping a lot of the feathering in here. I didn't do as many as I should have. And then like some meandering and pebbles. But yeah, it's like, it's not a very pretty feather, but it's a feather nonetheless. And then I think, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do brickwork here, since I know how to do brickwork now. But as a whole, let me show you. This side's not quilted. This side is quilted. And then I ended up deciding to use a different metallic thread. And when I did that, I got a bit more satisfied, because one day I came down from here saying, see, because I did all this and you could see the silver. And I was so disappointed with the thread selection. But then I added this color. I don't know if you can see it. You can see that color more. And it has a little bit blue and browns. And it almost kind of changed for me. So I did all silver here. I'm gonna do blues and browns, that other variegated thread down here. And then I'm gonna add that other color in here, because here I had it all silver. I was so dissatisfied with the color. And now, like a week later, because I've been working for clients that I took it off, I'm not as upset about it. I'm not as upset about it. It's still beautiful. The metallic silver is okay, but I think when I first saw it, after I left it, I was so like, what the hell? And let me show you, if I wouldn't have used a metallic thread, the difference, what it would look like. Hold on, let me see. How beautiful just white thread would have turned out. But lesson learned. I may make another one. maybe make another one. Or maybe make a couple. And so yeah, you could just see how beautiful just white looks. And you don't, there's a wobble right there. You don't see it. Don't judge me. It's a ridiculousness of, you know, you just don't know when you try different threads. You're kind of testing it out. You're seeing if you like it. But now I'm a little bit, when I added this colored thread to it, it just looks beautiful. This is a metallic thread that I'm using. And this is a metallic variegated. And originally I was using a metallic silver. And I got all these threads at Superior Thread, if you're wondering where I got my long arm quilting metallic threads. So let me show you in a big view. How the quilting looks. She's beautiful. I made extra leaders so I could have leaders for my quilts. I felt like that would be a smart idea. Yeah, and beautiful. So we're gonna work on, so today